Take some time at the bar. No,
Davis,
you haven't earned it.
last
No
seen
one
on a
has.
bus in Venice.
You leaving again? It's cool, I get it. The zombies are better company than us.
What a mess. Where to start? Huh, I'm on the wrong beach.
Someone trapped in there?
Oh, God! So, don't worry. You're safe now.
You okay, buddy?
Me? I'm doing great. Just great. But are you okay? You can be honest with me. I'm Burt Michaels, the chief lifeguard of this strip. It's kind of my responsibility to keep people like you safe.
Is that so?
Yeah. Though even I gotta admit I'm underperforming right now. Sure, it was brave of me to lead the zombies away, but it meant I lost the group of stragglers I was escorting across the beach out there.
Do you think they're okay?
Yeah, they gotta be, right? Well, I guess with how wild the beach is now, and without an expert like me with them... No, I bought them enough time. No doubt.
I should take a look. Make sure they're okay.
You will? Wow, that's great! That means we can split the search. I can stay here in case they come back, of course, and you can follow their trail. Try to find someone out there. I'm sure some of them ran towards the police station's parking lot.
Is this the right channel? This is Burt Michaels. If you find anyone, you can radio me on this channel to let me know.
Okay, Bert. Checking the police station. Better kill these first. I'm at the station. No sign of anyone.
No one's there? Oh, but, I mean, that's a good thing, yeah? Must mean they made it to the stores like they planned after all. Oh, that's good.
Okay, I'll head up there. Bert, there's a bunch of zombies banging on the Venice kitchen. Survivors could be inside.
You found someone? Yes! I do remember them talking about that place. I'm 100% certain. You gotta clear the area and get them out.
Bert, the zombies are down. Just gotta get the shutters open.
That's amazing! Don't forget to tell them Bert Michaels sent you.
These corpses have been here for... Bert, there is no survivors here, just a bunch of old bodies.
There's no one alive? No. I hoped somebody had to have survived. It's only been a few days. Oh.
I am coming back. You stay put, you hear me?
Hey, you're, coming back, right?
Yeah, and you better still be there.
What? You think I would run? Now? oh, Christ on a biscuit! Okay, well, I can't right now, so please hurry!
Okay, Bert, let's talk.
I'm sorry.
You sent me on some wild goose chase, you bag of dicks.
I know! I fucked up!
What the fuck is wrong with you? You could have got me killed. Start talking, Mr. Lifeguard.
That group depended on me. I was their hero. When the freaks attacked, I just froze. Hid here. But someone had to have got out alive. Just one person. They just had to. Right? Right?
Just you, Bert. And you're gonna have to live with that. Look, head to the Blue Crab. It's safe there. Maybe you can find a way to deal with this. Okay, let's get this over with. That's where I need to be. Which bus was he on?
Davis! You are bigger than I thought. Another
No signal. Maybe this message was better left unsent. Happy thoughts. Happy thoughts. Oh, the real Bundy, please stand up.
Oh, hey, Bundy.
Okay, jeez. Okay, find my way to the end of the pier. Get the stupid laptop. Get the fuck out of here. What the hell was that?
creepy motherfucker, I get it.
Well, fuck me, I am never making that jump. Gotta be another way. Okay, alternate route. Cool. I used to love arcades. They better have a Time Splitters machine. Oh, I gotta get the power on. If I could just get the power on, then maybe I could get out of here. Oh boy, I'm never having sloppy joes again. Ooh, buttons. Great, no labels. Not ideal. Oh, screw this. Nope.
I'm sure that's fine. At least I got the power on. Hey! Quit following me, okay? I taste like ass! Okay, time to split. Oh geez, look at that. It's a massive neon zombie magnet clusterfuck.
Ferris wheel. I hate Ferris wheels.
Case closed. Everybody go home. New? Okay. Stay dead.
Back to searching dead spots.
Booyah!
Well, looks like the brain.
Seriously? Well, I guess one ride won't kill me.
Oh, this shit again.
What? Is that a fucking clown?
Oh, Jesus Christ, are you kidding me?
Hey, this isn't funny! Shit! Hey! No! Climb it on the ride! You know, I should have known this would suck. Hey! I know you're out there! So go fuck yourself sideways, you red-nosed son of a bitch! You? No. No, I said sideways. Fuck yourself sideways. Hey, let's talk. I just need this laptop thing. You know, kind of important, then I'm out of here. Okay? Okay.
That looks like a laptop to me. This must be it. The glamorous life of a hero. Okay, what do we got here? You are my ticket out of here. Oh, come on. Seriously? This fucking funny fucker again? No! Oh! Oh, man. Come on. Come on. You motherfucker! No, no, no! Get off me! Get off me! Hey, such an extra, bitch! Oh, fuck off. You're regenerating? Who's laughing now, you funny fuck? Oh, Jeebus, I'm done. Ruben, you copy?
Hey, do you have it?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine, thanks.
Well, obviously. I need you and that tech back here ASAP. We got a world to save.
Yeah. Copy that. Finally, things are going my way. Okay, that is not ideal. Of course! Of course! Time to go! Come on! Come on! And it's and don't die! Okay!
Oh, I hope it's waterproof.
there? Hello? It's Hannah. I'm trying to reach a certain badass. You know who you are.
If I'd have known hero services would be so popular, I'd have started years ago. So you lost another student, Hannah?
It's you! Thank fuck. And yeah, Dez hasn't checked in, and I'm starting to get super worried. You, up for rescuing another damsel in distress?
Standard rates, blah, blah, blah. So where should I look for this? Desmond? Desmeralda?
The Reverend Dr. Ms. Desiree likes to play with volatile chemicals and went to raid the CDC's stash on the beach. So I guess I'd start there.
Another of my favorite places. Great.
Drop something.
A locker key. A hidden safe. Bet I can find it. Hey!
Oh shit. You friendly?
If you're not trying to bite me.
Then I'm friendly too. Name's Ezekiel. People call me Zeke. Seeing as we're all stuck out here, anything you want to trade? Hey, you won't believe this, but I swear I just saw some girl pulling a U and booking it to the pier. She hasn't come back out yet either. So, where'd you come from? You're way too late to be here.
I've been at the Serling Hotel.
Rough night, huh? Thought I was gonna have to send out a search.
Missing lifeguard. Well, I could go for some sea air.
Lola, be reasonable.
Hey, Doc, look, I got...
Hey.
You?
What? Hey, let me see. Oh, at last.
Don't be rude, Reuben.
You should rest.
Oh, no, I'm just peachy.
Sit down. Reuben and I were just reminiscing.
Oh, is that right?
Conrad and I did some research together.
Reuben, it was a little more than that. I was his oracle, his Pythia. So, how have you been? You look different.
You tried to kill me.
Is that what I did?
Conrad,
Or did I do something else?
Lola, you promised you wouldn't interfere.
No, Ruben, we promised that we wouldn't interfere. You've already galloped across that Rubicon.
There is too much at
Doc,
stake.
where the fuck?
Oh,
Wait, who the fuck?
hey, not now, Jimmy.
No, we fucking agreed. The whole group gets to say on newcomers.
Don't
Hey.
worry, Mr.
Montana. Jimmy Montana? Yeah, you probably see me on TV.
Fabulous. Mr. Montana. Well, I was just about to leave anyway. But I must just drop in on Tisha before I go.
You can't see her.
Oh, Ruben.
Yeah, well, no one gets to see her.
What?
She ain't here.
What do you mean?
Well, she went out looking for food with a little gang of hers. They're overdue.
I always told you, Ruben. The tighter the leash, the harder they pull.
Get out!
I'll see you down the line. Later, Jimmy.
Why'd you let her go?
Hey, she ain't my kid.
Oh,
If I was in
Jimmy,
charge...
Listen. you
Yeah,
have
fucking
to find
whatever!
Tisha, all right?
Doc, look, things are happening to me and I just...
Please, I need her back safe, all right? Now look, it's gonna take time to analyze your blood to get answers, all right? Now Tisha doesn't have time, all right?
Okay. I'll saddle up. Again.
Thanks.
Send you off to find Tisha. Of course he did. What else he got you doing, huh? Whatever it is, it's not helping the rest of us out.
Hey, Denise, you know where Tisha went? Bean cup? Okay, thanks.
I'm getting the shakes. Don't forget to take that shower.